Hey everyone, welcome to this series of creating directory website using Divi 5 theme and GeoDirectory plugin. In this video, we will check how to create the website footer using the Divi 5 theme. So let's get started. Next, we'll move on to how we create a footer. So let's get started. We'll need to go back to the dashboard, then hover over the same DB option, and then click on Theme Builder. Then we'll click on Add Global Footer here, and then click on Build Global Footer. Then guys, here's our main section. Let's click on Layer and see. This section is inside the footer. So what we'll do now is click on the plus icon and take 3 columns in offset columns. In the left column, we'll put an image, where we'll put the logo, then a little description. So let's click on the plus, search for the image block, then upload our logo here. Then we come to sizing, then we'll give it a width of 350 pixels. Then we'll set whether we want pixels or percent here. So we'll set pixels to 350 pixels, okay? Then we'll take a text block below the logo where we can add some dummy text, a small description of the site. So then what we do is in the second column, we'll put quick links for which we'll click on the plus icon. We'll search for heading here, take the heading block, name it quick links. Then we'll style it a bit, reduce the text size. Then we'll need to come to heading size, then make it H4. And we'll make the font weight a bit medium. We can even make it semi-bold from medium. Let's make it semi-bold. Then below this heading, we'll take a list item block. Click on Layer, click on the 3 dots next to the heading, click on Add Element here, hover on Add Element, and click on Add Element below. Then we'll click on the block called List here. Then see guys, our list block has appeared below the heading. Now we'll style one list item a bit first. So in the first list item, what will we put? We'll name it Home, and then we'll change the icon. We'll put an icon like this. We'll put this icon, and here we can put the link to the home page. And next, what we do is we delete this one, we delete this one too, and we duplicate the first one. Before duplicating, we'll change the color of the icon a bit. We come here to change the icon color. We need to go to Design, then Icon, then after coming to Color Pick, we'll put an orange color here, something like this, and that looks good. Then we'll duplicate it now, so we can add menus to it. As we showed you, by clicking on this, coming to Content, you can put the link of this page in the link, okay? So you can put it later too. So this is our quick link section. Now what we'll do is we'll come to icon list, then design, and then spacing, and we'll put -20 pixels from margin top, okay? So then it will come up, now we'll save it. Then what we do is in the last one, we'll put this heading, we'll duplicate it first, then we'll drag and drop it here, and we'll name it Contact Info. Then we'll put the same list item here. For this, we'll duplicate this icon list itself. Then what we do is we'll drag it and put it below this heading. This is a shortcut, and we don't have to work too hard. So then we come here and open Home in the Home section from here. Then we put Home here. In this, we'll add our phone number. So we'll write phone number here, like this. Then we can add the number here. After that, we'll also change its icon. We'll come to Content for the phone icon. After coming to icon, we'll write phone here. Then see, guys, the phone call icon has appeared here. So we'll put this icon here. Next, we'll put our address here. We'll write some address here. And then for the address icon, we'll put a location type icon here. It will be something like this. Next will be our email ID. Okay, now write email ID. I'll write a dummy email here now, and then we write envelope for the email icon. It will appear. Next, what we do is we'll delete this last one like this. We'll delete the blogs here. We'll delete terms and service, and we'll drag email below phone number. Done. So now we'll save it, come to the front end, then refresh it and see. Right now, the default previous footer is visible because after saving, we have to go back. Then we have to click on Save Changes. Otherwise, it won't be set globally. Then we come to the front end once, then refresh it. Boom, guys, now see, our logo is set. The test description has appeared. What we added inside quick link has appeared. It looks very nice. Inside contact info, now we'll also put social media icons below contact info, okay? For that, we'll have to go to global footer again. Then below this, we'll write social media follow, so we can add this icon, which is great. Then we can also add links, your social media links like YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook links, which would be great. Okay, let's save this for now. Then we'll add another section below it, all right? We'll add text for the copyright, the text we usually put, and we'll center its alignment. And for its main sections, we'll click on them, go to design, then spacing, set the margin to 0 and the padding to 20 pixels from top and bottom. Okay, and we'll add a border to it, go to border, then set the border width to 1 pixel only for the top border. We'll set the top border to 1 pixel, and then we'll make the border color a bit like this. And we'll also give it a background. Let's give it a background color. Let's go to layout, then background, and after going to background, we'll set its background color to black like this, okay? Then we'll have to go back to design and we'll have to make the border color white. Then we'll make it a bit white. And for the text color, we'll also make it a bit white. Let's keep this type of color. This is our bottom part. And we'll go to the main section of the footer, go to its design, then border, and we'll set its top border width to 1 pixel. Then we'll set its border color to this type. Then we'll save it and go to the front end. Boom, guys, look, we've added a small border to the top of our footer so we can define the footer, and we've created a section below it, which is the copyright section. So in this episode, we showed how to create a header and footer. Next, we'll show how to create the homepage of a directory site. The main thing about the site, which we will use, is the Divi 5 theme and the GeoDirectory plugin. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at WpGeobuddy.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.